Welcome to our English practice. We will use a 5-step method for every phrase. Listen, pause, repeat, pause, and translate. We'll start with a familiar greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikumus salam. May peace be upon you. Now, let's try the standard English morning greeting. Use the first pause to repeat what you hear. Good morning. Good morning. Subah bakhair. Next, we ask how someone is doing. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. आप कैसे हैं? Now practice sharing your name. I am fine too. What is your name? My name is Ali. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम अली है. Mastering these 4 exchanges gives you a reliable way to begin a conversation with anyone. We are now adding a challenge. During the second pause, try to remember the Urdu meaning before I reveal it. Let's try longer sentences. Are you in the 2nd grade? Yes, I am. I am in the same class as you. क्या आप दूसरी जमात में हैं? जी हाँ, मैं आपकी क्लास में हूँ. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. मुझे भी. Are you 7 years old? No, I am not. I am 8 years old. क्या आप 7 साल के हैं? नहीं, मैं 8 साल का हूँ. Combining your name with your grade and age gives you enough information to introduce yourself to a new classmate. Now let's practice talking about where you live. Where do you live? I live in Multan. आप कहाँ रहते हैं? मैं मुल्तान में रहता हूँ. Is it a village? No, it is not. Multan is a big city. क्या ये गाँव है? नहीं, मुल्तान एक बड़ा शहर है. Is it a beautiful city? Yes, it is. Come visit us sometime. क्या ये खूबसूरत शहर है? जी हाँ, कभी मिलने आएं.
Finally, accept the invitation. Sure, I will. Thank you. Zarur aunga. Shukriya. Learning to identify and describe your city allows you to explain where you are from when meeting someone new. Let's apply this to the objects in your classroom. This is a book. Open the book. ये एक किताब है. किताब खोलिए. This is a pen. Let's read and write. ये एक कलम है. आइए, पढ़ें और लिखें. This chart lists every English phrase we practiced today next to its Urdu translation, from basic greetings to descriptions of your home city. Practicing this summary chart daily helps you recall these phrases quickly the next time you use them in person.